In this video, I'm going to show you one of the easiest and fastest ways to start making hundreds of dollars every single day promoting Clickbank products. And if you are new to the channel, I make videos about how to make money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you one of my most profitable niches that you can get started with today and start making money. All right, so if you go over to Google Trends and you type in green product right here, if you take a look at this graph right here, you can see the graph keeps going up and down, up and down, up and down. If you can look at this point right here, this graph is currently at 59%, but if you look at the direction of this graph right here, is going upward up to 100%. All right, up to 100% interest. A lot of people are currently searching for green product because this product usually help people save money on what they spend. All right, and an example is electricity. So I'm going to show you products that you can promote on Clickbank and start making money with this niche right here. All right, so for those who might be doubting, I'm just going to quickly refresh this page right here so that you can see that everything remains the same and you can actually make money on Clickbank. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner or if you have been earning before, you can make money on Clickbank. It's an absolute reality. All right, so what you want to do from here, you want to click on marketplace. All right, so once that's open up, you want to scroll down to the category. You want to scroll down through the category section, and as you can see right here, this is the niche I was talking about right here, green products. So what you want to do from here, you want to basically just click on this category right here, and you are going to be shown numerous products that you can pick and start promoting and start making money right away. It doesn't get easier than that. As you can see, these products also have nice payout. You can see this first one right here is going to pay you almost $50 for every sale you make. This one almost $60, and this one is going to pay you $81. All right, you can see the commissions for these products are super high. All right, so I'm going to be taking this first product here as an example to show you how you can start making money promoting this particular product right here. So what you want to do from here, you want to go over to the affiliate page. So if you click on the affiliate page, as you can see right here, you can basically have access to all the materials and banners, everything, the sales letter, the copywriting, and everything you can use to start making money with this product. And keep in mind, these are what works. If it doesn't work, the vendor of this product is not going to put them here. As you can see right here, this is some of the email swipe that you can use if you are doing email marketing. You can see the subject of this email says save $975 a year on power using this no-brainer MIT discovery. So basically, you can see right here, this product is literally solving people's problems, saving them money. I mean, who doesn't want to save money? All right, so you want to come back to Clickbank and you want to click on the promote button to grab the affiliate link. So if you click on that, you want to click on copy. So if we open this link up in a new tab, as you can see right here, it says MIT discovery can cause power bills by 65%. Just like I mentioned earlier, this product right here is solving people's problem by saving them money. All right, so basically that is how you make a lot of money online. You want to look for niches that people are looking for solutions to their problem. That is how you make the fastest money. All right, so if we go back to Clickbank right here, so you want to grab your affiliate link like I said, and once you do that, you want to create a landing page. I can't stress the importance of this enough, and there are numerous landing page builder out there. One of the best one out there that you can use is breezy.io. So once you come over to breezy.io, all you just need to do is create an account. And once you create an account, as you can see right here, they are going to give you access to numerous templates that you can use. You can just basically drag and drop and create a landing page within 5 minutes. All right, so basically you can use breezy.io, and you also have an alternative. If you don't want to use a paid builder, you can use the likes of Google Site. As you can see right here, I've also made numerous landing pages on Google Site myself, and also Google Site gives you templates that you can work with as well. You can just basically drag and drop and add some text, then add your link. So basically that's how simple it is to create landing page. You can just use the already made template and edit it a little bit, with your link. So once you have your landing page ready, the next thing is to start driving traffic and make money. So I'm going to show you two major traffic sources. I'm going to show you a paid one, and I'm also going to show you a free one for those who don't have money to invest in paid ads. So the first one you can use is answers.com. This website is literally a question and answer website where you can literally come over here and answer questions related to saving energy bill, and you can actually recommend these Clickbank products as a solution to people who are asking questions related to electricity. All right, so there are a lot of people out there who are looking to cut costs on their electricity, and they don't mind purchasing a product that's going to help them do that. So basically, like I said, all you want to do is answer any question right here. You can just basically type in the search box how to save money on electricity, and you are going to see a lot of questions that are related to this question, and you want to leave a link to those questions recommending the Clickbank product. So the same thing applies to Quora as well. You can come over to Quora and you can literally do the same thing. Okay, so basically you can just answer. You can just type in the question in the search bar. You are going to see a lot of questions related to saving money on electricity bill, and keep in mind this question stays up forever. And like I always say, you don't need thousands of people to purchase your product. All you literally need is a dozen of people every month, and you'll be making money in passive income. Keep in mind, Quora always ranks high on Google. So basically, if people go over to Google and type in how to save money on electricity bill, these questions are likely going to pop up. And if they pop up, you are going to get organic traffic from even Google indirectly. All right. So basically, that is how you can start answering as many questions as you can every single day, recommending this Clickbank product. All right. So now I'm also going to show you how to use a paid traffic source if you don't want to work with free traffic. So basically, you can run Google ad campaign to this product if you have the budget. All you just need to do is create a Google Ads account by going to ads.google.com. You want to click on this option that says get more website sales or leads, and you want to click on next, and then you want to give it a name. So I'm just going to leave it as example, and you want to click on next. All right, so you want to paste in the link right here. Like I said, you can use Google Sites or you can use breezy.io. All right, so all you just need, so I just quickly made a landing page right here, and this is the landing page right here. As you can see, save 975 a year on power using this no-brainer MIT discovery. And I added an image of the product right here, as you can see, and I added learn more right here. So once they click on this learn more right here, it's going to bring them to this product right here, and if they make a purchase, you make money. So literally, that is how simple it is. All right, so what you want to do from here, you want to basically click on next. All right, as you can see right here, this is the simple landing page right here, and you can see what it looks like on desktop. All right, so basically from here, all you just need to do is click on next. All right, as you can see right here, I basically type in some headlines right here. Save 975 a year on power. As you can see right here, MIT device cuts power bill by 65%. Don't miss out on this opportunity. All right, so once you click on that, you want to type in some keywords that are related to the product. All right, you can see right here, these are some keywords you can add: green products, electricity, save money on energy bills. All right, so once you do that, all you just need to do is click on next. So here you are just basically going to type in the country you want to run your ads to. So basically, I'm going to take United States. All right, so if you want a particular city, you can type it in right there if you want. So basically, I'll let you decide whatever country you want to run your ads to, and you want to click on next. Here you are going to select your ad budget, which is how much you are willing to spend every day to get your ads shown to people. So here you can select whatever amount is comfortable for you. If it's not in here, you can just basically type in your budget right here, and then you want to click on next. So once you do that, you are going to see all the details of your ads right here, and then you are going to basically click on next. All you just need to do is add in your credit card details on this page right here, and you will get your ads running in no time. So you can basically apply the same strategy to Microsoft or Bing ads as well. So once you do that, you can go over to Clickbank and you can repeat the same process for as many green products as you can find on Clickbank. All right. So like I said, if you don't want to use the free traffic sources by going over to answers.com or Quora.com, you can come over and apply the paid ads approach by using Google Ads and Bing Ads. They are basically the same procedures. All right. So that brings us to the end of today's video. And if you find any value, please drop a like on the video. And if you have any questions, drop them down in the comment section below. And I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.